If you've been dealing with overpronation, your arches are falling down and inward, your ankles are falling down and inward, it can be very helpful to use insoles to rebalance the feet, and that can help your ankles, your knees, your hips, and your back. These orthotics come with arch support, and they also come with a deep heel cup, which helps to support the feet and keep them in a more neutral position. So I first suggest trying them as is to see how they feel for your feet. If you don't feel like you're getting quite enough support, you can use the gel ramps that come within the package and place them where the outlines are for overpronation. Sometimes the overpronation is happening more under the navicular bone in the feet, and in these cases, you might feel that this is too far back, and you might feel that you need to move the ramp slightly more forward. It's very easy to place the ramps. You would peel off the film on the back side and see that it's sticky on the bottom side, and you can stick it down where it's needed. Let's say you found an alternate placement that feels better for you, and you'd like to remember where that is if you have to take these out and clean them. You can use a pen to draw an outline so you can remember exactly where to place them later. Another thing you can do with these is, let's say this isn't still quite enough support for your needs. You can use a second pair of ramps, which are easy to purchase, extra, and you can double stack the ramps on top of each other for double the amount of posting to stop overpronation. Some people that have very low arches need extra arch support, but their ankles are dropping inward and their feet are dropping inward so much that they also need to add an extra ramp to stop overpronation. So you can also do that with an extra pair of ramps and place it in these two positions. Let's say you tried the insoles as is and you felt that you needed more support for overpronation, so then you tried it with the ramps. Once you tried that, it felt like a little bit too much. The great thing is that you can customize this fully. So what I would suggest is to find the right placement for you. Let's say you want a little bit less and you like it a little bit forward. So place it in the spot that feels good, and realize that you can actually cut the pieces of gel to give yourself a little bit less support if you feel like you need something in between nothing and in between the full amount of support. This is how I would suggest to make that customization. And that could be moved forward or backward, depending upon what feels good to you. If you end up with an extra set of ramps, you don't need to let them go to waste. You can put them onto a pair of sandals or shoes that don't have space for a full-length insole, or place them onto a shoe liner that came out of another pair of shoes. If the gel ramps end up getting dirty and less sticky, you can simply rinse them under water, scrub the dirt off, set them out to air dry, and the adhesive will renew so that you can use them again.